In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Grammarly Premium subscription, whether you've decided that you no longer need the service or you just want to take a break. This quick guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth cancellation process. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and log into your Grammarly account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your home page. You should be able to see several options or tabs presented on your screen. What you'll want to do next is to locate the section labeled Account. This is usually at the top right corner, but layouts could vary slightly depending on updates. Simply click on Account. Now, after accessing the Account section, look for the option labeled Subscription. It might require just a bit of a scroll to see it, but once you've located it, click on it. This page contains your current subscription details and all related options. This part is particularly important because you need to ensure you're in the right spot to initiate the cancellation process. Within the subscription page, move on to find the Cancel Subscription button. Clicking on this will start the actual cancellation process. Don't worry, you'll be guided through confirming the cancellation, which makes sure that there aren't any accidental clicks. Grammarly generally asks for feedback on why you're choosing to leave, although this part is entirely optional. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, you'll typically receive a confirmation email as a receipt of your cancellation. It's always a good idea to keep this email for your records. Also, be aware that if you cancel in the middle of a billing period, you should still have access to the premium features until the current subscription term ends. It's crucial to verify that your cancellation is effective, especially if you're doing this in advance of a renewal date. You can double check by going back to your subscription page to ensure no future payments are scheduled. This can provide peace of mind knowing that your subscription will not renew automatically. For those who might feel uncertain or need further clarification during this process, Grammarly's customer support is available to assist you, so don't hesitate to reach out if any questions come up. And there you have it, a clear and straightforward method to cancel your Grammarly Premium subscription. Taking a few moments to go through these steps can save you time and hassle in the future, keeping